A huge disappointment awaits you guys if you guys decide to go and watch this week's release Jab Harry Met Sejal in the theatres. Welcome, you're watching Cinema Samosa Sarcasm with me, Bhavna. Well, the film is not going to be a disappointment for SRK's huge female fan following because the king of romance is at his usual best. This time romancing a dimwit Sejal Zaveri played by Anushka Sharma. Well, the disappointment factor in the film is none other than director Imtiaz Ali. Now, for the title, he got inspired from such a great film called When Harry Met Sally, which the story and screenplay too had inspired him a little bit. He has earlier given us beautiful films like Socha Na Tha, Jab We Met, Rockstar, Highway, Love Aajkal, but this time around he has done grave injustice to SRK with a half-baked script like Jab Harry Met Sejal. Anushka Sharma with her annoying Gujarati accent does not only encourage lame stereotyping in Bollywood, but her confused character leaves you confused as well. I mean, she's there looking for a lost ring, but from the first scene itself, it's obvious that she's not interested in looking for the ring, but interested in having a good time in Europe minus her family. I mean, why else would she wear skimpy outfits, get offended when Shah Rukh Khan calls her sisterly, and chase him in pubs and bars all night? The saving grace of the film is the fact that it has been shot in Europe. The beautiful locales of Amsterdam, Frankfurt and Budapest keep you engaged for a while, for the first half at least. But in the second half, since the story isn't going anywhere, you kind of get bored. Imtiaz Ali, who has been known for great music in his films, yes, has been, falters with the soundtrack of this film as well. A, the songs are not that catchy, and B, they drag on the film unnecessarily. Tum butter malai banke, le angadai tanke, aaja kudi aaja kheton mein is a line from one of the songs in the film, so beat that. SRK being SRK will make you fall in love with him over and over again, even though he plays a cheap man in this film, in his own words. But playing a heartbroken character at his age and challenging a 20-something-year-old girl that she will fall in love with him doesn't really even suit the Badshaw of romance. Anushka Sharma tries her best, but her fake accent gets in the way of her performance. And her character is so sketchy that you do not get attached to her character at any point in the film. With weekend ticket prices as high as 1200 rupees in Mumbai, it just seems a criminal waste of money and time to watch a film like this. Because by the end of it, you really don't care whether Harry meets Sejal, Harry mates Sejal or Harry dates Sejal. Because after the first hour of the film is completely downhill. So guys, do yourself a favor and save that money for a rainy day, it just might come handy. Next week is Akshay Kumar's Tolerate Prem Katha, a practical love story which just might fare better at the box office and with the audience alike. So till I see you guys again at the movies, do not break off your engagement, do not go running off to Europe looking for SRK, because that kind of romantic guy just does not exist. Ciao!
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from BBD Television.